Do you start doing bhangra in random social situations? Do you tell people about where you're from, even though no one asked you? Do you talk really, really loudly? Then there's a high chance you're Punjabi, and this dish is for you. Chances are that if you've had tandoori chicken before, you think about it every day. I myself wake up in the middle of the night sweating, thinking about tandoori chicken. So I'm actually trying to have some fun with this recipe. So I took my chicken thighs and divided them into 6 pieces, and every 2 pieces will go into a different marinade for different color. Now let's make a base marinade with some yogurt, some salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, and some ginger paste. I unfortunately forgot to record some of the portions, so I apologize for that. Now we can start working on different marinades. So for the first one, chop up some mint. In a bowl, combine your mint and your yogurt marinade, and with a blender or a food processor, give it a proper blitz, and you have your first marinade. Now in a Ziploc bag, add your 2 chicken thighs, pour over the marinade, and keep it aside. For our second marinade, we take some of the yogurt mix again and add turmeric this time. You can also add a little bit of paprika to spice it up. We're mostly adding the turmeric because of the color and the vibrance that it gives. Give this a proper mix, and then in a Ziploc bag, add 2 chicken thighs, pour over the marinade, and keep it aside. The last marinade is the easiest because it's already ready for you. I added a little bit of extra garlic in there because I freaking love garlic. So I did that, poured over the marinade in a Ziploc bag, and that was it. Ideally, you want to marinate this at least for 24 hours, if not, maybe about 12 to 13 hours. While we're waiting for this to be done, let's look at some situations that every North Indian has to face. Hey man, I'm Matthew. What's your name? Hi, my name is Deep. Like, how deep? Oh, your name is Deep? I have a friend named Deep. Do you know him? My friend, he's Punjabi. Is that what you are? Punjabi? Punjabi? Are you Punjabi? Soak your skewers in cold water so they don't burn. Now let's get down to business. I'm going to put 2 of your chicken thighs per skewer and place it along the edges of the baking tray that you're going to use. Maybe put foil at the bottom because the last time I did this, a bunch of the marinade dropped onto the baking tray and it burned there and it was such a nightmare to clean. So foil the bottom and it's ready to be cooked. Leave this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. After that, brush it with a little bit more oil, turn the temperature up to 450 and leave it there for another 15 to 20 minutes till it gets slightly charred. And there you have it, the pride of Punjab and the staple of every North Indian's diet, tandoori chicken.